What we have here today, Tuesday, March 26, 2019, is another Bun Special video. There you go, Bun Special video, written, directed, edited by Bun Special, graphics by Bun Special, stunts by Bun Special, handcrafted with the finest ingredients. And what's this? This video is performed by an amateur. Do not attempt at home. No watches were harmed in the making of this video. For entertainment only. And people like to see watch. Here's my. This is in the afternoon, so it's 4 something in the afternoon. This is a watch I'm wearing. Usually when I wear a watch, I usually wear it for years before I swap it out for something else. So you're going to be seeing the same watch for a while, unless something completely different. Oh, well, I'm wearing this swatch thing that I did a video on. I'm putting on the right hand. So far, it keeps, pretty good time. But I'm not wearing it to work because it probably get messed up at work. Whatever. Anyway, okay, yeah. This is something I bought off eBay. It was in a big box, so I didn't show you open up the box. And it had bubble wrap around it. The box is very large. Very large for the item. What it says? It says Waltham 18 size. Yes. I bought this non-running watch. Probably paid a little bit too much for it for non-running. I figured if I couldn't get it to work, I would use the case, hunter case. And I noticed there's something else in the package in this container. They printed out some stuff. Let's see what they printed out. This is it came from some website. I don't know what the website is. And serial number moving below, blah blah blah. Oh, that's the link for this database for Waltham watches. I don't know if that's the number. I gotta double check that. So yeah, that's what it basically looks like. Key wind though. William Ellery, blah 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 blah. How many jewels? 11 jewels, 18 size, full plate. Oh, maybe this one was made. Blah blah blah. Railroad grade. No railroad grade. What's the other side have? Oh, the other side has some pictures of similar models. Yeah, key wind. That's what I have, key wind. And then there's this again. Whatever. Anyway, I'm going to keep that with the watch, I guess. Oh, we'll see what happens. So here it is, non-running. It comes with the chain, too. I guess this is the front. Yeah, spring still works, too. How do you like that? 3-ounce case. So I do this. Second hand doesn't move. It's like, damn. That's not good. Let's check out the balance then. It's very important when you close these things, you press the button in, because that's steel. This is silver. Silver is softer. And it gets the crap worn out of it. Oh, look at that. Was this repaired? Look at that. Why is that like that? Maybe that's... See, I think it left a mark already from people snapping it shut. Why is that like that? Oh yeah, maybe it was repaired. Ah, it was repaired. Son of a bitch, someone repaired it. Look at that. It must have been worn out from people closing it incorrectly. And they soldered something in there. You can see the solder. Yeah, well, let's see if it'd be kind enough to focus. You bastard, focus. I always swear it. And yeah, you see the solder under there. Wow. So someone was able to fix one of these bad boys. I guess they cut it out and then I don't know where they got this piece from. Another case? Or they fabricated it? Interesting. Interesting. Look at that. You can see the solder under there. Wow. That's why you gotta push the button in when you shut it. Let's see the inside. Let's see if the balance is any good. Oh, man. Oh, it's got an engraving. Oh, look at that case. Doesn't even open up. That's nice. I don't know if they fixed that too. Usually if it's like 90 degrees or less, it hasn't been screwed or the case hasn't been abused. Very nice. What does this say? Something J. Nash? I can't even read this. January 29th, 1879. Wow. So the case is dated. I don't know if you can see that. Very nice engraving, I have to say. Very nice engraving. And then it's key wind. Oh, let's see if I can open this up. Ah, good. This cover's loose. The 3-ounce case. See, number 3. Then here is the movement. It's missing the thing. I don't know if I have a thing to put there. The balance doesn't even move. Oh, I should be zooming in now. Wow. It's not wobbling, so let's see what the staff. Is the staff any good? Ooh, you see that? Look at that. Ooh, it's starting to run. Look at that. That is funny. The staff is good, but the oil has turned to goo. Holy crap. That is funny. I've never seen it like that before. Come on. Oh, you know, you can tell it. That is funny. Ah, so this is repairable then. Look, it's all gooey there. Let's see if we can take this out of the case then. Let's even get it to run. Wow, I thought I was gonna get a case out of this, but you know, I can't make a watch movement homeless, as I say. It has the capability to run, so I'll have to make it run. Even though, oh, see, that thing is loose. Give me a screwdriver. Where's the thing? I have to get better lighting one of these days. Is you seeing this? No, you're seeing nothing. Let's see, half head. Okay, dropped it out. I hate it when they're loose like that. Let's see if I can take this out. Oh, it comes right out. That's the problem with these hunter cases. It's got no dust shield. So the case is out of my way. Oh, I should get a movement holder too, but I'm lazy. What's the dial look like? It's got a chip there. Right here, it's all chipped. Second hand is not quite flat either. I don't even know if these hands match. No dust shield. That's too bad. Yeah, you know, if you find with the dust shield, it's nice, but let's see, what am I gonna do? Oh, I gotta take the wait, I should see how much tension's in that mainspring. I'm just curious. Oh, yeah, this puppy's wound up tight. Let's see. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna get this thing to run. I think I can get it to run with minimal effort, just to let the mainspring run down. So I gotta loosen the hairspring stud. I should get a movement holder, but you know, I get lazy sometimes. I get the movement holder because people complain, hey, you need the movement holder. I know, I'm not a watchmaker, so I can do whatever I want. So, something like that. You know, something you gotta take the hands off. Wait, what should I do now? I want to put all the hands together. Does this key fit the hands? Oh yeah, it does. So I put the hands next to each other. That way when I put it on the movement holder, let's see if I can put it in such a way. I gotta open it all the way out. Whoops. Let's see, am I screwing anything up? No, nothing is. See, that's why when you do it with the hands on, you gotta make sure you're not damaging the hands. So no hands are gonna get damaged. Let's see if I can take this hairspring. I don't. That's tight. That is tight. Why is that so tight? Try a different screwdriver. Man, that's tight. I think it moved. I'm not using the right magnification. I'm using these visors when I make a video, and they're just not up to snuff when you're doing certain tasks. Oh, I did move it. Okay, that went down. So, loosen the hairspring stud screw. The hairspring stud is loose. Where are the tweezers? I had brass tweezers, but I lost them. And I have 2 pairs of brass tweezers. I lost the one I used a lot. And the other one, you know, it's like the 2 halves are riveted together. And the rivet's loose, so when you're squeezing it, the tips, you know, they shift out of position. So one of these days I say I'm gonna, you know, put some solder on there or something to lock it in, but I'm lazy. Oh, these screws are tight. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to bring containers. There's a container. It's not too dusty. Use my fruit juice caps. It's always best to put the parts in a container. I used to put them in the case, but then sometimes I'd pick up the case forgetting that there's parts in there, and then I'd lose the parts. Well, they wouldn't lose them, they would fall out of the case all over the place. So now I just got to remember to put everything in a container. Ah, that's tight too. Now I gotta poke the hairspring stud out of the balance cock. Let's see if it comes off nicely. Oh, it does. What's that? 271. What's the number on this? Yeah, you see, look at they dinged it. Oh, it won't focus. See all those dots there? They dinged it. That means it's been restaffed or something. At least that's my opinion. I don't think they leave it at the factory like that. It's always disappointing when you see that. And you see they ding this too. Boom, boom, boom. Well, maybe that's why it doesn't work, because I forgot to check for play. I'm just assuming the oil turned the crud. It's got a roller jewel. Let's see, where's the zoom? Let me look at the balance. I'm gonna run out of time soon. Will it be kind enough to focus? Yeah, it's got a roller jewel. How are these pivots looking? Maybe it was just too tight. Let's see, looking at the pivots. They don't look bad. Not all crusty looking. Let's see, I clean them. Oh, wait, I forgot to get the peg. Oh, it falls. Oh, where did it go? Oh, damn. Oh, well, okay, another piece. I'll use this piece then. Nothing cooperates. Everything's got to be a pain in the neck. Let's see, what else if I clean the pivots? I gotta focus in again. With the pith wood, that's what it is, pith wood. And what about the, what does these look like? I'm gonna cheat. I like cheating. I'm just gonna put a little dab of oil. Oh wait, I gotta check this too. And then one thing I gotta check. I'm gonna put that in there. How does the lever thing kick? Oh, that moves real slow too. Wow. I don't know if you could see that, but it doesn't snap to the side the way it's wound up. I'm gonna cheat. Yeah, you cheap bastards. Look at that. It says it's 11 joules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it's 11 joules. They dinged it up. Well, I'm gonna cheat. I'm gonna just went, you know, because they gotta get the mainspring wound down, and I got a feeling it's wound up so tight. So how do I cheat? I'm just gonna put oil on every pivot. Every pivot. I really should clean this off after I dip it, but cheat, cheat, cheat. And then we'll put a dab of oil in the don't forget this. I always forget the center one. And put some oil. It's gravity's a pain in the ass sometimes. What else? What else? What else? Oh, and then I'll put a little bit. I'll cheat and put some oil on the escape wheel. I like to cheat. Just a little bit. And let's see if that made any difference. Probably not. You know, the whole thing has to be taken apart. But I'm just doing this just to run down the mainspring. Yeah, it really doesn't want to move that good. Let me see if I can oil some of the lower stuff. Let me put the oiler over here. Oh yeah. Oil some lower stuff. Can I get you there? Nah, I really can't oil any lower pivots. Nah. I really can't get in there. Oh well. I'm gonna put this back. This is probably how not to do stuff. Yeah, it doesn't really got the snap to it. I don't know if this is gonna work. Well, anyway, let's see. You know, because when these people, you know, they wind the watch, and then they wind it all the way, and it still doesn't work. So now you can't even back off it a little bit just to undo the mainspring. You know what I'm saying? To let it down because it's wound up so damn tight. So that's why I like to try to get the run down a bit, so I can, you know, let down the mainspring. Let's see, where is that? Okay, so it's there. Where's the jewel? You gotta line up the jewel right. Yeah, the lever's to the right. So I have to put the jewel past it. Oh, I'm running out of time. Oh, come on, get out of the container. Oh wait, I gotta move this into position. Oh, it moved over. Look at that. Let's see. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get the hairspring stud in the hole. Oh, it moves. I gotta switch magnifications. Let's see if I can do this. Let me get everything out of my way. Let's see, how are we doing this? Okay, I got it in. Excellent. Okay. I got the hairspring stud in the, I'm gonna put the screw back in. Let's see if we can get it to run. Wow. That didn't do any good. Wow. Wow. That didn't do any good. Oh, it just barely runs. How much plate is in there? Well, it bounces, wiggles a lot, so. Well, there you go. The only thing I have to check the flatness of the hairspring. Can you see any of this? That's as flat as it's gonna get right now. Oh yeah. Let me tighten this screw up. Is that level? Hey, off. Profanity. I didn't put the profanity. I didn't check the regulator. I always forget that. The regulator is not in right. It's not in the it's not in the last coil, you know what I'm saying? So if this was a good watch, I wouldn't have to do this. No, it doesn't. This is a pain. Oh, that's why, because the hairspring stud keeps on moving around. Wow, what a pain in the neck. Almost got it. Let's see, is that it? Yeah, it's in now. That's because the hairspring stud is round and it rotates. I think I got it now. Yeah, it's in the last coil. Maybe it run better now. Whew. Let's see. So, oh, that's good. So I cheated by just cleaning some pivots and throwing some oil on there, and I'm gonna let it run down now. What's a Bun Special video without a burp? So, what kind of amplitude? Is that what they could turn? I don't know. I don't forget where the roller drill was. It's got to be doing at least 180 right now. Maybe after a good cleaning, it might do better. Cleaning and oiling. Anyway, I'm pleased with what I just did today. Well, it looks like this watch is going to stay in this case. Otherwise, it would have been put someplace else, and another movement of running quality would have been substituted. Oh well. I just gotta get a one of those cover things for that. Anyway, oh, it's running better now, I think. I don't know if it's running better. I don't know. Maybe before it was just doing 90. Maybe now it's getting close to 180. Who knows? What's this number? 107. What did the piece of paper say? I gotta hurry up before I run out of time. 107, 1127. Yeah, that's what it is. 107, 1127. Okay. So I did get them. Anyway, so let me put this thing back in the case. And that's be it. Hopefully I can do this. I only have a few more minutes left. Few more minutes left. Let's see, it comes in with the front. Oh, it's gonna be a pain in the neck because this glass thing doesn't stay open. Let me get this out of my way. Gotta get things out of the way. Let me zoom out. See if I can put this in. It's got a little pin sticking there, and there's a corresponding hole. So you get the pin in the hole. Oh, I didn't. Oh, there you go. Wow, that was easy. Well, it's not done yet. I gotta tighten the screw. Oh, it stopped running now. Son of a beeswax. Where'd the big screwdriver go? Where did the big screwdriver go? Oh, I put it away. I'm running out of time, man. This video is gonna end soon. How come it stopped running? How come it stopped running? It stopped running. Why did it stop running? It only runs face down? I think it only runs face down. Damn. Well, maybe I touched it? Yeah, it only runs face down. When I turn it over, it stops. So there's something else going on. I don't have to worry about that. After it runs down, then I can let down the mainspring. And I hate it when it does that. So anyway, I think I'm done with this. I hope you enjoyed the. Oh, it's a thank you for your cooperation. I hope you enjoyed the program, and enjoy the rest of your day. Let's see, we'll make this at 20. There you go.